Hey everyone, this is Travis again from Coyote Moon. In today's video, I'm going to chat with you a little bit about adding additional flair and impact to an image block or a video block by adding a shape and blur effect. So let's dive right in. As we scroll down this home page, we're able to see that there's a nice design element that is a backdrop to this YouTube video block. And what this is a shape block. So a shape block allows you to add triangles, circles, squares, and different shape sizes. You can also customize the color, the width, the size, the dimensions of that shape block. So a cool sort of insider tip on the shape block is that you can also turn the shape into a blur effect, which we've done here. So what you're looking at is a square shape block added to a section on a Squarespace web page that I've essentially overlaid on top of, or in this case, behind a video block. And the nice thing about the Fluid Engine website editor, the new drag and drop editor from Squarespace, is that you can move items forward or backward as you see fit. So if we hop into this shape block editor, we can see that we've selected the square. Again, you can choose from, in the neighborhood about 25, 30 different shapes here. But we've selected the square shape block. You can even set corners. So for example, you can set that shape block to have rounded corners. That's a cool feature. You can set the color. So I've actually set a color here that's sort of a lighter shade of this dark blue. And I just did that using actually Squarespace's color editor palette. So I think it adds kind of a nice whitish, bluish tinge to the background of that video, while allowing this red YouTube play button to really pop, and the darker colors in the background of the video itself to really shine. So heading back into the shape block, we can add a stroke to the shape block. Again, just like the section dividers, we can have a dotted or a straight stroke line. We can add a drop shadow. And as you can see, if you really wanted to get creative with this, you could add two different color dynamics, okay? One, we have our main color of the shape block, which is this light blue. And the other, we've actually added a drop shadow to that shape block. So we have a blurred shape block, which we've added as a light sort of North Carolina Tar Heel blue color. And in addition to that, we've added a drop shadow that's more of this teal color. I'm going to deselect the drop shadow and show you a little bit more about this blur. So the blur effect without and the blur effect with. So again, it's just a shape block, right? But we're able to create this really cool customized look design by just toggling on that blur effect. Now we can change that color blur effect from something like that to a red, right? Or a white. And as you'll see, it changes accordingly. You can change the blur amount. So if you really want to blow it out, you can add the pixels as you see fit or reduce them. Okay, thanks so much, guys. If you need more tips and tricks on using Squarespace's native features to really make your homepage or any given internal page pop, I would love to chat. I can be reached at travis@coyotemooncreative.com. My business is Coyote Moon. I'm a Squarespace web designer, and I build websites for SMBs, entrepreneurs, and e-commerce sellers. I was a Squarespace employee for 7.5 years, and I took my knowledge there to really lean in and start my own business in March. And I would love to chat with you more about taking your online presence to the next level. Thanks so much.